platform of English Beyond the Lines. Today, we will continue our class as we were discussing about tenses in the last video. In the last video, we have discussed about the definition of tense, what are the type of tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense, and we have also discussed about the present tense, all the types of present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. In this video, we will learn or we will study about the past tense. The next part is past tense. Now, what does past tense means? Past tense means the action or the work which has already happened in our life. Means which is completed, which has already happened. Now, again, this past tense is of four types. That is simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. We will start with the simple past. Simple past shows an action that happened and finished in the past. As an example, we can say, she visited her friend yesterday. Means already the work has been completed. It has happened. She already visited her friend yesterday. Now we will see how can we frame the sentence based on this simple past tense. Now the formula which we are going to use in this, that is subject plus the past form of the base verb. As I have already told, base verb means the main verb plus the object will come. As an example, I have given here, he visited my grandma. So he is the subject, visited. Visit is the main form of verb plus ed we have used so that it becomes past tense. My grandma is an object. Two more examples like I have given here, that is he played football. They visited the restaurants. Now we proceed to the next type of the past tense, that is past continuous tense. So the past continuous tense is used to show an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. As an example, I can tell that is he was reading a book. Means at a specific time he was reading. Means the work has already been completed. At that time he was reading. He was reading a book. We were studying all night for the exam. Now we will see how can we frame the sentence based on this past continuous tense. So the formula which we are going to use, that is subject plus was aware. So here was aware is a helping verb plus the main verb will come. With that ing will be added plus the object. The example which I have shown here, that is I was reading a book. With I, was we will use. With he, was will be used. With she, was will be used. But suppose if we are using they, then with that they were. They were studying. They were looking. So this is the difference between was and were. So here, I was reading a book. More examples I have given here, that is, he was eating burger. Was is used with he, then the main verb eat has been used. With that ing form we have added, then the object is coming. Then in the next sentence, they were watching TV. where is being used with they. Then watch is being used as a main verb. Then ing form is added to that. Then the object is coming as a TV. They were watching TV. Now we proceed to the next type of the past tense, that is past perfect tense. Now what is past perfect tense? Now the past perfect tense is used to show an action that was completed before another action in the past. So as an example, she had finished her homework before dinner. Means before dinner, before another action, that work has already completed. She had finished her homework before the dinner. Then in the next sentence, we had studied English before moving to London. So now we will see how can we frame the sentence based on this past perfect tense. In this, first the subject will be coming as usual. Now we already know first subject will come. Then had will come. Had as an helping verb. Then the past participle form of the verb will come, which we call as V3 form of verb. Then the object will come. As an example, she had left when I arrived. She had is been used with she, then left. Left is the V3 form of verb. More example we can see, that is she had finished her homework before dinner. I had seen the movie before. As the had has been used, after that seen. Seen is the past participle form. For example, as we already know, see is the present tense, saw is the past tense, and seen is the past participle form. I had seen that movie before. I hope everyone is understanding. Now we will proceed to the next part of the past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to show an action that has already started in the past and continued for some time and was still happening before another action, another past action, we can say. The example which we will use here, that is she had been studying for 2 hours before her friend came. So before her friend came, she had been studying for 2 hours. They had been playing football before it had started raining. So before started raining, they had been playing. Means in the past it was continuing. Now we will see how to frame the sentence based on this past perfect continuous tense. First, the subject will come, then had will come, plus been. Then the main verb or main form of verb will come. With that ing we will be using. Then the object. We had been waiting for the bus. So had been is the constant here. Had been we will be using here. After that the main form of verb will come, that is wait. With that we are using ing. Then for the bus is the object for us. Next example, that is she had been working in the office since morning. They had been playing football all evening. So I hope everyone is understanding, and if there is any problem, kindly contact me and write it in the comment section. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notification.